Alright, so I'm going to choose one of the folder to be the demonstration. So first I'm going to show you in the downloads, you see mangohard.conf example, and there is another one which is a zip folder. This will show you the downloads, and another one is in user share doc mangohard. These are all the files and folders it has. But if I search in everywhere, it'll only show you downloads that these two exist. So where are the others? Well, you need to do the search settings, and you will need to add the location of these folders that are the hidden folders, that are all these that you see, .var, cache, all the dots, they're all hidden folders. So you need to add them first. So now I have added .local.var, and now if I try to search again, it will show you all the mangohard in the location, and you can better view the location with changing their views, and you can see all the location. Where are they? Please like, subscribe, and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.